Are you paying for word training or wasting hours searching YouTube? There is a free library inside Word you are missing. Let me show you. So here is the thing. Most people do not realize that Microsoft Word already comes with its own set of official training videos. They are built right into the program. No extra downloads, no paid subscriptions, just pure, free help from the people who actually made the software. And the best part is getting to it only takes about 3 clicks. I will walk you through the Help tab, then show you how to find and play those training videos. 3 clicks and you are in. Alright, let us start right at the top of your Word window. Look at the very top menu bar, the one that has all the tabs like Home, Insert, and Design. You want to find the tab that says Help. Now a quick heads up here. In some newer versions of Word, the Help tab is not always visible by default if you are on a smaller screen. If you do not see it right away, you might have to click a little double arrow or a More button on the right side of that tab row to show the full list. But once you see it, go ahead and click that Help tab. So now that we have the Help tab open, take a look at the ribbon that appears just below it. You will see a few different buttons and options. The one we are looking for is the big Help button. It usually has a little question mark icon or the word Help written right on it. Go ahead and click that button. Now this is where it gets really good. Once you click that Help button, a pane opens up on the right side of your screen. This is the main help center for Word. And here is the little secret that most people overlook. Inside that pane, there is a section that says Show Training, or sometimes it is listed as Training with a little play button icon. That is the golden ticket. Click on that, and this is where you really start to see the value. Once you click Show Training, the pane changes and you get a whole list of video tutorials. These are not random YouTube uploads. These are official, high-quality training videos made by Microsoft. They cover everything from the absolute basics like formatting text to more advanced stuff like mail merges and collaboration tools. So just browse through that list or use the search bar at the top of the pane if you are looking for something specific. When you find a video that looks useful, just click on it. Now, depending on your internet speed, the video might take a second to load. Just give it a moment. Once it starts playing, you can watch it right there in that pane. You can pause it, rewind it, or even make it full screen. It is basically a mini training course living inside your document. And the really nice thing is that these tutorials are updated regularly, so you are always getting current information that matches the version of Word you are actually using. So there you have it. No more digging through random internet searches or wondering if you are learning the right way. The training is already sitting inside Word, waiting for you. Just remember the 3 clicks: Help tab, Help button, Show Training. And from there, pick any video you want. You have got a full library of expert guidance at your fingertips completely for free.